everyone, it's Suki here. It's time to check in with the Boys and Girls Club of Canada to see what they're cooking up for Kid Food Nation. Today, Vivian is making a delicious yogurt parfait and is going to show us how to tell if food is fresh.
Have any of you eaten food that wasn't fresh? There are many different ways to see if the food you're about to eat is ready. You can check the best before date if there is one. You can check for firmness with fruits and veggies. And then there's my favorite, the tap test. If it makes a thud, it's a dud. But if it sounds hollow, you can chew and swallow. And few foods are fresher than a yogurt parfait. Who wants to taste test it? Me! For more KFN fun, head to kidfoodnation.com, presented by President's Choice Children's Charity.